Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we discussed JavaScript topics required for Playwright Automation. Today we'll start the first and most important topic, that is variables in JavaScript. So today we'll see some topics. I'll write it here. First one is what is variable. Second is types of variable. Third is when to use what. When to use what in automation. Okay. The first one is what is variable. So a variable is used to store the data. Okay. In automation testing, we store values like URL, username, password, and test data, right? By using this variable, we are storing those data. The second one is types of variable. There are mainly three types of variables. The first one is var, second is let, third is const. Okay. So this var is old way of declaring the variable. So this is not recommended in Playwright project. So we are not using this var. And the second is let. So let, this is most commonly used variable. So this let allows value changes. So we use let when data changes during the test execution, right? So that time we are using this let. And how to declare this? Let password equal to admin123. So like this. So we can define like this. So this is the variable name. And the third one is const. Const, this is highly recommended. This one is used when the value should not change. That time we are using the const variable. Example, const URL equal to https okay. So to define the URL, username, password, so that time we are using const variable. Okay, here URL is the variable name. And the last point is when to use what in QAautomation. Okay, so this variable we are not using in the Playwright Automation because this is not recommended. Let. So this one we are using whenever there is a dynamic data, loop controls and temporary values in the QAautomation. That time we are using let variable. And const, this is by default we are using by defining the URL, browser name, pix data. So that time we are using the const. Okay, so this is what like this we are using in our QAautomation. This also covered now. And so today we learned what is variable, types of variable, and when to use what in QAautomation. Okay, so if you find this video useful, then please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.